realize NDP, NPF and MPP have lost. Is there a
I
concern?
think there are state level issues, particularly in this election. Meghalaya, Nagaland and Manipur. A particular religion openly went against our government in those states, or openly done against the NDA. And that religion has tremendous followers in those states. So that has made the difference. It is not a political defeat, because nobody can fight with a religion. So in Nagaland, in Manipur and in Meghalaya, the specific reason is that a particular religion or leader of those religion works against the certain political party. Usually they do not interfere in politics, but this time, for whatever reason, they interfered in politics, including Assam. Even Assam also, we could not get vote of that particular religion, because for whatever reason I have seen in the field, they have openly worked against the NDA this time. So that's my observation. But specific reason why Meghalaya has been lost and Ndpp has been lost, you have to ask from Mr. Rio and Mr. Sangha.